Hello people, this is your dapper boy X-Eve back again with another tutorial video on hairstyles. This time around we're telling you about how to style your hair into an out of bed messy look. A really chilled out laid back hairstyle for you all to try. So without wasting any more of your time, you should just go watch the video and tell us what you think about it.
भाई there are days जब कभी मन नहीं होता बाल बनाने का. Out of bed messy look is for those chill laid back days. When you are lazy but still want your style game to be up on point, messy hairstyle is your go-to. It's easy to maintain and very cool in looks. Easy to style, start by drying your hair and then directing all your hair towards the forehead. अपने हाथों के साथ अपने बालों को स्टाइल कर to give a natural messy look. Use hair wax with a wet look and medium hold. Take a bit of the wax in your hands and start applying it from the back of your head to the front, exactly जैसे तूने अपने बाल स्टाइल किए थे. Work around your hands in your hair and complete the look. Simple.